Hey guys, welcome back. And today we will learn about comments in JavaScript. Please like and subscribe to help the channel. What are comments in JavaScript? Comments in JavaScript are lines of texts in our code that are ignored by the computer. They don't affect the code and are there to guide or leave notes to other programmers. Imagine you want to let other programmers know what your code does. Comments are a great way to do that. There are two types of comments in JavaScript. Number one, the single-line comments. They only span within one line. And number two, the multi-line comments. They can span within multiple lines. So how to write a single-line comment? To write a single-line comment, simply type / twice. This will turn anything after the two forward slashes into a comment in the same line. The key word is after and same line. With comments, we can write a note to other programmers. We can even comment out a line of code. If we comment out a line of code, that line of code will not work. But how about a multi-line comment? To write a multi-line comment, first write a /, then write an asterisk without any spaces. After that, you must close your multi-line comment. To do that, first write an asterisk and then a /. It's like rewriting the opening in reverse order. Inside the open and close symbols, write your comment. It can be an instruction, a piece of text, or even an entire piece of code. But with this, we can expand our comment throughout multiple lines. Here are all the things we learn in this video. Number one, comments don't affect the code and are merely used to guide and leave messages to other programmers. And number two, there are two types of comments: single line and multi-line. Single line comments are written using two forward slashes, while multi-line comments are written after a / and an asterisk and are ended with an asterisk and a /. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.